Hi, I'm Ipsa. So today we're taking a small topic of magnetism. In fact, what I'm thinking of taking today is a precursor of magnetism, and not even actually what the books talk about of magnetism chapter. Magnetism as in magnetism due to current, not pure magnetism, not hard magnetism. मैग्नेटिज्म ड्यू टू करंट चैप्टर से उसके भी बहुत 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 पहले जाके बिफोर वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट चैप्टर व्हाट शुड वी नो अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स वी टेकिंग अप दैट एंड व्हाट इज दैट थिंग इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग डायरेक्शंस अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डायरेक्शंस. अब आप बोलोगे इतनी तो बहुत आसान सी चीज़ है, इसमें मैं क्या बताने वाली हूँ. सबको पता है कि ऐसे ईस्ट, ये वेस्ट, ये नॉर्थ, ये साउथ. ये तो आप बोलोगे तो इसमें हमें क्या बता रहे हो आप. बट व्हेन वी डील इन दिस चैप्टर there arise a lot of confusion with east, west, north, south, vertically up, vertically down. There is a lot of confusion, so we'll clear it once and for all, and then you'll see that the chapter of magnetism due to electricity becomes very clear to you. Okay, starting with the basics, we are dealing with 6 directions, not 4. How many directions we are dealing with? We are dealing with 6 directions. All right, east, west, north, south तो हम सबको पता है. Number of directions, 6 directions. All right, 6 directions we are dealing with. First is east, we know. Second is west, we know. Third is north. Fourth is south. Now there's a 5th direction which is called vertically up. कोई चीज़ ऊपर जा रही हो उसको ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ नहीं बोलते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं वर्टिकली अप. वर्टिकली, गोइंग वर्टिकली अप. इसी तरह इफ समथिंग इज गोइंग डाउन इनसाइड द फ्लोर, इनसाइड द टेबल, दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्टिकली डाउन. Now all these directions will also have alternate names. They will also have alternate names, as in when I explain you, I'll give you those alternate names. You can leave space in front of this like this and add that name there. All right, this looks very simple but needs little attention. All right, please be patient with me. Okay, so आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप किसी भी तरफ फेस कर रहे हो. लाइक राइट नाउ आई डोंट नो हाउ यू लुकिंग एट मी. आई एम फेसिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन इज ऑलवेज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. अब मैं ऐसे अगर बनाती तो नॉर्थ ये था, बट when we are dealing in this chapter we will always take the north direction which is in just front of you, your front wall. That will be called north. Now suppose I stand like this, then this will become north. If I stand like this, then this direction will become my north. So please be clear, what is north direction? North is in front of us. Very important. हम किसी भी डायरेक्शन में, चाहे 2 स्टूडेंट्स चेयर पे बेंचेस पे बैठे हैं, एक ऐसे बैठा है एक कैसे बैठा है, दे हैव टू डिफाइन देयर ओन नॉर्थ. देयर इज नो स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड नॉर्थ फॉर दिस चैप्टर. ऑल राइट, एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन इंडिविजुअल नॉर्थ. व्हाट इज़ अ नॉर्थ? द थिंग विच इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. नाउ इसका दूसरा नाम क्या हो जाता है? लाइक आई वाज सेइंग कि ऑल्टरनेट नेम होते हैं. तो हम कहते हैं in front of you, this is the second name. या फिर we can also call going inside front wall. Suppose I'm standing like this, my north becomes this, So north is going inside the front wall. See, it's going inside the front wall. So this is also defined as going inside the front wall. If they say something like this, that means north. It is also called going inside the blackboard. Now, usually the blackboard is hung like this in any class. Now, if I'm standing here, if the student is standing here like this is his front, this is his north. So the north is going inside the blackboard. So these are different ways of defining a single direction north. Going inside the front wall, going inside the blackboard, in front of us. This is what is north. Please do not change the definition. And as I told you, हर बच्चे के लिए उसका नॉर्थ अलग होएगा. Do not try to say कि उसका नॉर्थ तो यहाँ है, मेरा तो यहाँ है. Doesn't matter. Let it be. Ultimately, your final answers will come same. All right. Everybody's north south will be different. Okay. Now similarly, अगर अब आपको नॉर्थ समझ आ गया है तो साउथ क्या है? टिपिकली अगर मैं पूछूंगी साउथ क्या है तो आप कह दोगे ये रहा साउथ. This is what a typical answer is. This is what we've been studying in geography. But actually this is a little क्या बोलते हैं उसको, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा किया हुआ सेंटेंस है. साउथ इज नॉट हियर. साउथ डायरेक्शन को अगर हमें डिफाइन करना है, सो यू हैव टू से बिहाइंड आवर बैक. इफ आई एम स्टैंडिंग लाइक हियर, दिस इज द साउथ डायरेक्शन, दिस बिहाइंड माई बैक, या फिर वॉल behind is the south direction. Okay, so this is how the south, the north is in front of us, the south is in back of us. Simple. North जहाँ का उससे उल्टा तो होएगा ही ना. So north is in front of us and south is in behind us. Okay, so this diagram that we've been studying for years and years does not come handy when we are doing magnetism chapter. Okay, please do not refer to this diagram when you are defining north and south. All right, ये north नहीं है, ये south नहीं है. north कहाँ है? यहाँ है. अगर मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूँ तो यहाँ है, अगर मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूँ तो north इधर है. So depending on how you're sitting, how you're standing, your north south will keep changing. Now east and west are easy. East and west are easy. East is actually what we understand east as, towards right hand. Towards right hand. अगर मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूँ, then this will become my east. अगर मैं ऐसे खड़ी हूँ, this will be the east. So towards my right hand is what is west, east, and obviously towards left hand is my west, obviously opposite. Okay, this you can use this reference that ये side हमेशा, ये side नहीं, right hand side RHS is your east and LHS is your west. This you all know and we don't make mistakes in that. Good. So let's revise. If I am standing towards you, I'm facing the camera and standing. Where is my east? I'll just show it by hand because otherwise. So this is my right hand, this is my east. This is my left hand, this is my west. Okay, now let me turn as per you. आप लोग ऐसे बैठे हो, like मेरे पीछे 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 बैठे होगे. You are like this. Where is west? Left hand. Where is north? Is this north? No. The north is in front of me. This is north. This wall is north. South is here and east is right hand side. Okay, I hope east, west, north, south directions are clear. Now we left with the fourth and fifth directions, which are vertically up, which is simple, which is towards sky. अब ये मत बोलना वो भी तो स्काई दिख रहा है मैं थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा. नो, टुवर्ड्स स्काई मीन्स पूरा ऊपर, टुवर्ड्स स्काई, गर्दन ऊपर करने को, दैट इज कॉल्ड टुवर्ड्स स्काई. नाउ इट हैज अनदर नेम. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कमिंग आउट ऑफ पेपर. I'll explain this. Or it is also called coming out of table. Now ये नाम क्यों दिए जाते हैं vertically up को? Okay, so this is my table, right? If this is my table, how is it? What comes out? This comes out. Like, how will something come out of the table? It will come out like this. And if something is coming out like this, where is it going? It's going to the sky. So towards the sky is called vertically up direction, up या upwards. Similarly, if I hold a paper, suppose this was a paper only, and something has to come out of the paper, it will go towards the sky. So vertically up can also be called towards sky, coming out of the paper or the table. Okay, now similarly exactly opposite will be vertically down. Now this will be towards earth. अब earth कहाँ है? ये रही earth, नीचे. So we go directly towards our feet, towards earth, towards our feet. Now don't say I'm hanging upside down like Spider-Man and so towards my feet is there. No, please, that is not the case. There's no joke going on. Towards our feet means we are standing, and if something is going towards our feet, that is what is vertically downwards. Similarly, this will be called going into the paper. ये पेपर था, इसके अंदर कोई हम ऐसी चीज़ पियर्स करेंगे, एक नेल एक थंब पिन डालेंगे, तो इट इज़ गोइंग इनटू द पेपर. एंड व्हेन इट गोज इनटू द पेपर, देखो, इफ इट इज़ गोइंग इनटू द पेपर, इट इज़ गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ. That is called vertically going down. Similarly, going into the table. If this is a table and I pierce a nail inside it, it is going inside the table, it is going towards the earth or towards our feet. So vertically down is also a direction which can be called in these four ways. Vertically down, towards earth, towards feet, going inside paper, going inside the, going into the table. Okay, I hope this is clear. So let's I'll take an example. See, we all are sitting in different directions now. You may be sitting, you may be lying down, you may be doing whatever, you may be doing whatever, sitting like this. But whatever question I ask you, all our answers would be same. I prefer standing like this. Okay. Okay, we'll not take this case right now. It will need some more time before I can take up this example. It will take some more explanation. Okay. So if I have to show north direction, simple. If I have to do south direction, simple. East direction, this is how we depict a direction. Now going into the paper. Now this is a 3D concept. Going into the paper or down, it is represented by a cross. If ever I have to say something is going inside the paper or towards the earth, you always make a cross for that. that indicates that something is going down. Similarly, if it is coming out of the paper, or if it is going up, we represent it by a simple dot. Dot indicates that something is like this, coming out of the paper. I hope this is a very, very big precursor to the chapter of magnetism in class 10 NCERT. This has to be clear before we can anytime start with the chapter. Have a good day.